Story of Nikola Tesla. Nikola Tesla was one of the most brilliant and eccentric inventors in history. Born in 1856 in what is now Croatia, Tesla had ideas that would change the world, but for much of his life, he remained unrecognized and poor. Today, he is considered a genius who played a crucial role in the development of modern electrical systems. His inventions laid the groundwork for many of the technologies we use today, and his visionary ideas continue to inspire scientists and engineers. Let's explore Tesla's fascinating life story and his incredible legacy. Nikola Tesla was born on July 10, 1856, in the village of Smiljan, which was part of the Austrian Empire at the time, now in Croatia. Tesla's family was of Serbian descent. His father, Milutin Tesla, was a writer and a priest, while his mother, Georgina Tesla, was an inventor of household tools, though she did not have formal education. Tesla's mother had a significant influence on him, and he often credited her for his creative and inventive spirit. From a young age, Tesla was fascinated by science and technology. He showed exceptional intellectual abilities and was a brilliant student. He had a photographic memory and was able to learn new languages quickly. Tesla's early fascination with electricity began when he was just a child. He would experiment with static electricity and even built small machines using simple materials. As Tesla grew older, his fascination with electrical engineering led him to study at the Technical University of Graz in Austria and later at the University of Prague. Though he did not finish his degree at either institution, Tesla's time in these schools sparked his passion for electrical power. In 1884, at the age of 28, Tesla moved to the United States, arriving in New York City with just a few dollars in his pocket and a letter of recommendation from a Serbian businessman. His arrival in the United States marked the beginning of a remarkable and tumultuous career. Tesla initially worked with Thomas Edison, one of the leading inventors of the time, in Edison's Electric Light Company. Tesla's early work with Edison was focused on improving Edison's direct current (DC) electrical systems. However, Tesla and Edison had very different ideas about how electricity should be distributed. Edison believed that DC power was the most efficient way to power cities, but Tesla strongly disagreed. Tesla believed that alternating current AC, which allows electricity to travel longer distances without losing energy, was a far superior method. This disagreement would lead to a bitter rivalry between the two men, known as the War of Currents. Tesla's rivalry with Edison reached its peak in the late 1880s and early 1890s. Edison was heavily invested in DC technology, but Tesla's ideas about AC were starting to gain support. Tesla eventually left Edison's company and began working independently. With the support of George Westinghouse, a wealthy entrepreneur, Tesla began to develop and promote alternating current as the future of electrical power. The battle between AC and DC became public and fierce. Edison tried to discredit AC by claiming it was dangerous, even going as far as to electrocute animals in public demonstrations to show how deadly AC could be. However, Tesla and Westinghouse continued to push forward with their vision of AC power. In the end, AC won out, and Tesla's system became the foundation for modern electrical power systems. In 1893, The world's Columbian Exposition in Chicago featured the first major demonstration of AC power, lighting up the fairgrounds with Tesla's technology. Later, in 1896, AC power was used to illuminate the city of Buffalo, New York, marking the first large-scale application of Tesla's system. Nikola Tesla's inventions and discoveries were not limited to just alternating current. Tesla was a true visionary whose ideas were often ahead of his time. Some of his most important inventions and contributions to science and technology include induction motor. Tesla invented the induction motor, which is powered by alternating current. This motor is widely used in industries today, from factories to home appliances. Tesla coil. One of his most famous inventions, the Tesla coil, is a device used to generate high-voltage electricity. This coil was a critical component in the development of wireless communication. Radio waves. Tesla was one of the first people to demonstrate the transmission of radio waves. Although Guglielmo Marconi is often credited with the invention of the radio, many historians believe that Tesla was the true pioneer in this area. Wireless transmission of power. Tesla dreamed of a world where power could be transmitted wirelessly without the need for wires or cables. He famously built a wireless power transmission tower in Wardenclyffe, New York, hoping to create a global network of wireless power. However, due to financial problems, this project was never completed. X-ray imaging. Tesla also conducted experiments with X-rays, which led to the early discovery of radiography, although he was not credited with the invention of X-ray imaging. Despite his groundbreaking inventions, Tesla struggled with financial difficulties throughout his life. He was known for being an eccentric and reclusive figure, often living in poverty despite his many contributions to science. He was not interested in making money from his inventions, and this often led to conflicts with businessmen like J.P. Morgan and Westinghouse. Tesla was also known for his lack of interest in personal wealth, choosing to focus on his scientific work rather than financial gain. Tesla's later years were marked by mental health issues, and he became increasingly isolated. He continued to work on new ideas, but he was never able to secure the funding needed to bring them to fruition. In 1943, Tesla passed away in New York City at the age of 86. Despite the lack of recognition during his lifetime, his legacy has grown significantly in the years since his death. Today, Tesla is widely regarded as one of the most important inventors in history. Many of his ideas and inventions were far ahead of their time, and his work continues to influence modern technology. The Tesla Electric Company, founded by entrepreneur Elon Musk, is named in his honor, and his name has become synonymous with innovation and genius. Nikola Tesla's life and work are a testament to the power of creativity, vision, and perseverance. He was an inventor who changed the world and shaped modern technology. Tesla's ideas and inventions have impacted nearly every aspect of our lives, from the electricity that powers our homes to the wireless communication that connects us. His legacy serves as a reminder of the incredible potential of the human mind and the importance of pursuing knowledge and innovation, even in the face of great challenges.